Oh yeah. I'm gonna get even closer to you. Oh, hey Laura, can you hold in for a second? Hey, by the way, I'm gonna try to snap this photo. I left a banana bread with some of those tomatoes.